Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you 5 things you can do to get your feet ready for summer and to maintain your feet during the summer. First thing is going out and getting a pedicure. I like going out to get a pedicure because they push and sometimes cut my cuticles. I don't really like them to cut my cuticles because it's really not good for your feet, but I do let them sometimes. So I go get my cuticles done. They cut and shape my nails the way I like it. And they also use their special tool to remove the dead skin from my feet. If you're someone who does not like going to go get your pedicure done and you do a great job at doing your own pedicures, then go ahead and do your pedicure. You want to ensure though that you're getting your cuticles done, you are removing that dead skin from your feet, and you're also cutting and shaping your nails. Number 2, you want to consider the use of gel nail polish. I know lots of people do not like using gel nail polish, but gel nail polish does last for a long period of time. It lasts on the nails for a long time, but on your toes, it lasts much longer. Give this video a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing so far. I kid you not, if you do decide to use gel nail polish, it will most likely last you the whole summer, which means you will only be using gel nail polish once a year. When picking out a gel nail polish, try to pick out a neutral color because this will hide your nail as it grows out. If you pick a color like red, for example, it will definitely show. However, if you choose a more white, maybe creamish color, it will not show as much as it would have shown if you had chosen a color like red. Number 3 will be keeping your nice, beautifully pedicured feet nice and soft. You can do this either before bed by applying lotion or coconut oil, putting your socks on and going to bed, or if you're going to be wearing sneakers that day, do the same thing. Apply your lotion or coconut oil, put your socks on, go on with your day. Keeping those socks and lotion on will keep your feet nice and moisturized and soft. 4th thing you want to do is consider the use of foot masks. Foot masks not only help keep your feet nice and soft, but it also helps with malodorous feet, and it also helps with the removal of dead skin from your feet. There are some companies out there like Lush, for example, that creates foot masks that do in combination everything that I mentioned. It helps keeps your feet soft, it helps with the smell of your feet, and it also helps to remove the dead skin from your feet. Last but not least, you want to consider removing the hair from your toes. Hair on your toes to some can be aesthetically displeasing to the eye. If that's the case for you, then consider just waxing the hair off or just trimming the hair down. I personally am ambivalent about removing the hair from my toes because, believe it or not, your toes and your feet can tell you a lot about what's going on in your body. If you're someone who normally has hair on your toes and all of a sudden you start to notice balding in your toes, that could be a sign of poor blood circulation. If that's the case, you may want to consider calling your medical doctor and getting seen. Okay, now to recap the 5 things that I discussed to get your feet summer ready and to maintain your feet throughout the summer. 1, go ahead, get your pedicure or do your own pedicure if that's what you like to do. 2, consider a neutral colored gel nail polish. 3, moisturize your feet, keep them nice and soft. Don't allow them to dry out so that you end up with dry, cracked skin. 4, use foot masks. They're very beneficial. And last but not least, consider trimming or cutting your hair off your toes. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Until next time.